Hello everyone, I'm showing you my ring light that I just recently bought at Walmart for 30 bucks. It's a tripod and you can put your phone on there, and it does white and it does color. Even does strobe light effect. These are all the colors that you could do. It's pretty cool. This is what it looks like. It's got adjustables. You can move them up and down. There's the light. And there's my baby, Wee Wee. And this right here is where you can put your phone. You can do it this way or that way. It adjusts. You got a remote control. You can do color. Let's see if I can get it to go. I don't know if you can see it, but it does all kinds of different colors. Let's see. Oops. Color. Go. Come on now. There we go. It's really hard to see the color. Ah. And it fades into different colors. Blue, green, red, purple, blue, like a yellow color. It does all kinds of stuff. This is a okay light. I mean, there are better ones out there. Yeah, but this is a good one to start off with. Hi guys, if you like my video, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. I would really appreciate it.